Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. And the first, tha, the, dha, ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are, this edge and the other edge, da. Sorry, da. Da is very thick and high. Da, ka, qaf. Okay, da, ka, qa. And these are the three letters that we will be learning today. Da, ka, qa. Da, ka, qa. Qa is very high, and we'll learn this. High sounding. So let's take the first letter, Dad. The first letter is Dad, a very special letter. And Arabic is also called as the language of Dad. And to learn its makhraj, it may take a while, but don't get disappointed. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you will learn it slowly. Now here is a nice description of how to say Dad step by step. And this is from Brother Jamal. So I'm quoting, I'm taking benefit of his description here, and mashallah, it's very nice. How to say Dad? Now, pronouncing Dad is a challenge. Take it positively and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help you, and inshallah Allah will help. There are millions who are speaking Dad, so why can't you? So, imagine this is your tongue, and these are your right side gums near molars, and these are your molars, the teeth. Okay, now take your tongue and scrape the tip of the tongue where the upper teeth meets the gums or roots of molars. Okay, like that, scrape it. Why scrape? Because I want you to identify the area where the tongue has to touch. Okay, so scrape it here. This is the tip of the tongue, this is the tongue, and take this one and scrape it here. Now you know that we have to touch here. And what to touch? Now bite the right side of the tongue with the teeth on the right side. Bite it. The right side of the tongue. So now you know that is the area that has to be touched here. So touch the bitten right side of the tongue, the bitten area, the right side of the tongue with the roots of the molars. So this is the right side of the tongue and these are the roots of the molars. So touch this here, the area that you have been scraping. Touch it here. Da, 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 and then make the sound. Da, 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 da. It will take some time to get the control, but don't worry. Maybe you can roll the tongue out like that, and this is the area. This is the area that you have to touch on the right. Da, 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 da. So try to develop the control, inshallah you will learn. Please note that you don't have to scrape this area every time you have to say Dad, or you don't have to bite the tongue. This is just to identify which area to be touched and which side of the tongue to be touched. So touch the right side of the tongue to the roots of the molars. That is how you say Da. Da. Okay? Dad or Da. You can do that if you have better control with the left side. You can do that with the left side also, or both. So the shape of the letter Dad also has to do with our tongue. This is the tongue here, and what you're doing is you are using the right side of the tongue a little bit, to the lower side. You are touching the rights, taking the rights of the tongue and touching there, right side touching. So I'm showing that arrow, the area to be touched with the arrows, and that is our dot. Okay, that is dot. Kind of link there, but you may come up with a better idea. Anyway, this is a very thick and high sounding da, like we say da, da, da. This is ja, sha, ya, and this is da. Okay, very thick and high sounding. So here again, how do you say it? Here is another cartoon that shows that you have to touch the edge of the tongue to the roots of molars, either to the right or the left. I do it on the right, so I explain it for the right side, but you can do the whole thing for the left also. And interestingly, dad also is because very thick and high and uses very special parts of the tongue, so the shape of the dad is also like the tongue.